All right, we're starting off with 12 ounces of our eggnog in our greased tree pan. Next, I'm coming in with our box of white cake mix. You can use whatever cake mix you like. I just think the white is extra delicious and will go perfectly with this eggnog. It won't take away too much flavor. And we are pouring that right on top. I'm gonna make sure it kind of just sits on top instead of sinks to it. So this is gonna be a gentle kind of sprinkle of the cake mix. Oh, the eggnog smells so delicious. Now, if you don't have a Christmas tree pan like me, you can just use a regular 13 by 9. These quantities will work just the same in a 13 by 9. Okay, let's make sure to get all of that out. Doesn't it smell so good, babe?
Oh my gosh, I love the combination of these flavors.
Oh, okay, perfect. Now we're just gonna use our clean hands and kind of just make sure it gets in those points of the tree. We don't want to see any of that eggnog. Yummy. This is going to be so delicious. I personally love eggnog because it is just spicy and delicious. And then in this dessert, it's even better. Okay, just flatten it out.
I didn't know you could even do anything like this.
Oh yeah, you'll see it comes out delicious. Remember, it's eggs. Next, I'm coming in with my butter that I cut into slices. And we're gonna go ahead and grab our butter slices and place it right on top of that raw cake mix. Now we're not mixing anything. This is gonna be like a dump cake. So we're just placing the butter right on top, and this will help make a crust with our eggnog. It is gonna be so tasty, so easy, perfect for Christmas Eve dessert or Christmas Day dessert. It is just so delicious, and anyone can make this dessert. That is the best part. Okay, let's go ahead and get our butter on here. You can use salted or unsalted, but we're gonna use about a stick and a half for this. All right, now that we have our butter on there, I'm gonna finish this off with a little bit of ground nutmeg. I'm just gonna sprinkle this right on top. You could do cinnamon, but I think nutmeg goes better with eggnog. Okay.
'Tis the season.
Yeah, and it's gonna add some beautiful color on top. All right, that looks perfect. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna bake for 50 minutes. All right, while that's in the oven, I'm gonna grab my chilled bowl. And if you know me, you know I love a easy whipped topping. So we're gonna grab our heavy cream, and we're gonna add about a cup of heavy cream into our chilled bowl. I'm gonna add a splash of vanilla. Perfect.
And it's a little more than a splash.
And then some powdered sugar. Okay, did about a cup of powdered sugar. Now we're gonna get our hand mixer, and we are gonna mix this up until it is whipped cream.
Where'd you get that cute apron?
World Market, baby.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. This is gonna taste so amazing with our eggnog dessert. You can even add some nutmeg and cinnamon into your whipped topping if you want, but I'm gonna keep it classic so that I can use it for multiple desserts. But we're just gonna whisk this up until it is nice and fluffy. Oh my God, look how creamy this looks. We only whipped that up for like less than a minute, you guys. That one came together very fast. All right, let's go ahead and check on our dessert in the oven. Our eggnog dump cake is ready. Ooh, it smells so good, you guys. All right, so I've got my bowl here, and we got our whipped topping that we're gonna top it with after, but let's go ahead. I'm gonna go for the center.
You're the center of my heart.
Look, it's solidified perfectly. Doesn't that look so good?
Oh, wow, the eggnog like absorbed into the cake mix.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I think I need a little bit more than that, huh?
Yeah, probably.
Just a little side piece.
Like me.
Okay, and then we're gonna just grab our whipped topping and do a big scoop right on top. Doesn't it look delicious?
I'm so jealous you're about to eat this right now.
Don't worry, you'll get the second bowl. Oh my gosh. Oh, it looks so good.
Is it good?
So good. Oh my gosh. Babe, you're gonna love this.
Oh, I'm excited. I want to try.